Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening mom. Today's current affairs, that is 7th and 8th June current affairs. UN Russian Language Day is observed on which of the following date and coincides with the birthday of Russian poet Alexander Pushkin. It is on June 6th mom. It is on June 6th. Ved Marwa, who passed away recently, was the former police commissioner of which state or union territory? It is Delhi. World Brain Tumor Day, which is observed annually on June 8th to raise awareness about brain tumor patients, started in which year? It is in 2000 ma. It is in 2000. Who is the head of the task force constituted by the government to examine maternal mortality rate and age of motherhood? So it is Jaya Jaitly, Mrs. Jaya Jaitly. Minister of Women and Child Development and Minister of Textiles, Smriti Irani, Constituency, Amedi, UP, Uttar Pradesh. HRD Minister has launched an information booklet, Safe Online Learning in the Times of COVID-19. NCERT has collaborated with which organization for the joint development of this booklet? It is none other than UNESCO. So NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training, headquarters New Delhi, Director Hrishikesh Senapati. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, headquarters Paris, France. Who is the head ma? Audrey Azoulay. Audrey Azoulay. Nitin Gadkari has launched a national awareness campaign on prevention of human-animal mortality on highways. It aims to reduce the accident figures by how much percent? It is 20 to 25% ma. 20 to 25%. Minister for Road Transport and Highways of India and Shipping, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Constituency, Nagpur, Mumbai. Scientists at the CSIR NCL have developed the ingenious nasopharyngeal swabs for collecting samples from the throat cavity of COVID-19 patients. Scientists at CSIR NCL have developed the indigenous nasopharyngeal swabs for collecting samples from the throat cavity of COVID-19 patients. CSIR Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, NCL, National Chemical Laboratory. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of IIFL Finance? None other than Rohit Sharma. IIFL Finance Managing Director and co-promoter are Venkatraman. Who has become the only Indian to bag the prestigious Richard Dawkins Award? None other than Javed Akhtar. Researchers at which of the following institute have developed a low-cost artificial intelligence-based test kit for COVID-19? It is none other than IIT Hyderabad. World Food Safety Day is celebrated every year on which date to draw global attention to the health consequences of contaminated food and water? It is June 7th. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on June 7th every year. Theme 2020, Food Safety, Everyone's Business. Food Safety, Everyone's Business. RIL, Reliance Industries Limited, has raised 4,546.8 crores from which company? From a sale of a further 0.93% stake, taking the cumulative fundraising to rupees 92,202 crore rupees. It is none other than Silver Lake. Reliance Industries headquarters Mumbai, CEO Mukesh Ambani. Which of the following institution has developed a mission in which products can be sterilized using UV rays? It is IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar. ARCI has developed a rare earth-based magnetocaloric material for the treatment of which of the following disease? It is cancer. So ARCI, Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials, headquarters Hyderabad, Telangana. Which of the following state has reported the maximum cases of poaching of tigers in the country? killing of tigers in the country? It is Madhya Pradesh. The National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA headquarters New Delhi, Chairperson Prakash Javadekar. What is the theme of World Oceans Day observed annually on June 8th? World Oceans Day, when observed? June 8th. It is innovation for a sustainable ocean. Innovation for a sustainable ocean. Anil Suri, who passed away after COVID-19 infection, was related with which of the following field? It is film industry. Former Santosh Trophy player Hamza Koya, who passed away in Kerala after COVID-19 infection, played which sport? It is football. World Pest Day is observed annually on which date to raise awareness of how pest management helps preserve the quality of life for you. It is on June 6th. June 6th, World Pest Day is observed. Which organization institution has signed an MOU with Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences, ARIES, to tackle space debris and cooperate in the field of astrophysics and space awareness? It is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, formed on 1969. Chairman Dr. K. Shivan. Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences. The observatory was established on 20th April 1954 and reincarnated as Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science, ARIES, ARIES, on 22nd March 2004, located in Nainital. The 2020 World Archery Field Championships have been postponed to 2022 due to COVID-19. They were scheduled to be held in which country? USA. Who has been appointed as a non-executive chairman to the board of L&T? A.M. Nayak. Larsen and Toubro, headquarters Mumbai, chairman Anil Manibhai Nayak, MD and CEO S.N. Subramanian. Name India's first physiological parameters monitoring system. India's first physiological parameters monitoring system for COVID-19 patients launched by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. It is COVID Beep. COVID Beep. So, Minister of State independent charge for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State for Prime Minister Office, Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Constituency Udhampur, J&K. SEBI has recently approved a regulatory sandbox framework for the stock market ecosystem. The organization was established in which year? It is in 1992. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, headquarters Mumbai, founded on 12th April 1992. Chairperson Ajay Tyagi. Which state has topped India's food safety index released by FSSAI? It is none other than Gujarat. What is the FSSAI? Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairperson Rita Teotia. Which of the following country has launched 4 satellites in 2 days at the same time during NASA's Demo 2 mission? It is none other than China. China capital Beijing, currency renminbi, President Xi Jinping. Which company has inked a pact with the UN Global Compact on aligning recovery efforts with the latest climate science? It is none other than Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, headquarters Pune, CEO CP Gurnani. Which of the following cricketer has received the Order of Australia honor for his sporting career and community work? It is none other than Michael Clark. My third end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.